CoConstruct is a powerful project management software designed specifically for custom home builders and remodelers. But is it the right fit for your business? In this CoConstruct review, I'm going to break down everything you need to know before you buy. Stick around, because I'm going to reveal some key insights and an exclusive offer to help you make the best decision for your business. First, let's talk about the features. CoConstruct is packed with tools that help you manage projects from start to finish. It includes budgeting, scheduling, and client communication tools all in one place. This allows you to keep your team and clients on the same page, preventing costly mistakes and delays. What's more, CoConstruct offers real-time updates, so you can monitor your projects without constantly checking in. It's perfect for those who need a centralized place to manage their operations. Next thing, let's discuss the user interface. CoConstruct is designed to be user-friendly, but it can still take some time to get used to, especially if you're new to project management software. The good news is that CoConstruct offers excellent customer support. You can access resources, webinars, and even personal training to get up to speed quickly. The fourth thing you'll want to know is pricing. CoConstruct doesn't come with a cheap price tag, but that's typical for industry-specific software. They offer a subscription-based pricing model, and while it's not exactly budget-friendly, you get a lot of value for what you pay. If you're managing multiple projects or a growing business, CoConstruct's investment could pay off in the long run. Another important point is mobile access. CoConstruct has a mobile app that allows you to track your projects on the go. This is particularly useful for builders and contractors who spend most of their time on site. The app gives you full access to project data, so you can manage your operations from anywhere. One of the standout features of CoConstruct is its integration with other software tools like QuickBooks and Xero. This makes syncing your financial data seamless and helps ensure that your accounting is always up to date. If you already use these tools, CoConstruct can fit right into your workflow without disrupting your processes. Now, let's talk about the drawbacks. Like any software, CoConstruct has its downsides. Some users find it a bit overwhelming at first, especially with all the customization options. It's also not as intuitive as some of the more basic project management software, so there may be a bit of a learning curve. But here's the best part. You can try CoConstruct for free. And not just the basic trial. We've got an exclusive extended free trial that you can access by clicking the first link below. That's right, if you're still on the fence about CoConstruct, this free trial lets you explore all the features without any risk. In conclusion, CoConstruct is a solid option for custom builders and remodelers who need a comprehensive tool to manage projects. The features are robust, the support is top-notch, and it integrates well with other tools. If you're willing to invest in it, the value is definitely there. Remember, you can use CoConstruct for free with our exclusive bonus by clicking the link below. Don't miss out on this chance to try it for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.